Yes, it's true that recently I have been told on countless occasions that our firm, Portner Shure, is now seen as the rising stars throughout the Korean community. To my surprise, this has come from advertising executives, from Korean doctors, to not my surprise, from countless clients. I asked Heather from my office and Sheehy, who are both running our Korean department, to talk in depth to some of these doctors, to some of the Korean ad execs, to find out specifically why all of a sudden there seems to be such a clamor to use Portner Shure rather than some of these other more or older law firms that have been in the Korean community with older guys for quite some time. And this is what I found. I found that the Korean community is aware that Portner Shure is getting consistent results from insurance companies and getting consistent large awards. The community is also aware that unlike some of the other older guys in the community who have a lawyer in there who's a figurehead, at Portner Shure, the people who run this firm are not figureheads. We go to court. I myself go to court several days a week. The lawyers who are involved in your case litigate against the insurance companies. Clients know it, but more importantly, the word's gotten out and the insurance companies know it. And the insurance companies know that while we go to court, our competitors don't, and it is reflected in the awards that we get, and it's also, of course, reflected in the awards that our competitors get. In other words, where another lawyer might say, hey, don't worry about the less amount we get because we will reduce our fee, our firm doesn't have to say that. The Korean community is also aware that our law firm is super sophisticated on the internet and with the programs, in fact, that the insurance companies are using to evaluate the claims process. As a result of that, we are in line exactly with what they're looking at if you have a claim with our office. And thirdly, our law firm is up to date on healthcare reimbursements and healthcare liens, unlike the older law firms that are operating within a system from the 80s and the 90s. We know exactly what to look for with respect to healthcare reimbursement, and it does reflect in the net all of our clients receive.